Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ina and today I'm gonna show you guys a quick video how I do my celery juice without a juicer. So just wash it first, and I have a blender. I cut it up. I take off those green leaves because they make the celery juice bitter. I use about a cup of water. And also I use a strainer, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So once it's all blended, I put it through the strainer. I leave it there for about a minute or two to just sit there. The juice is coming out. And then I shake it up just a little bit so the rest of the juice will come out. I don't really do any pressure on it. So once it stops dripping, I just toss it out, and then I just drink the juice. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and I'll see you next time.